put in 150,000 naira into PiggyVest. Now, if I want to withdraw, I will be withdrawing a total of 162,000 naira and some fractions. That is a difference of 12,000 naira gained. In this video, I'll be showing you the exact feature I used to achieve this and everything you need to know about the PiggyVest app. Now, this tutorial is going to be in 3 parts. First part is an overview of the PiggyVest platform. The second part is a complete walkthrough of all the PiggyVest features. And the third part is a demo where I show you how to use the PiggyVest features for the best returns. That said, let's get to this video. Now, getting started with the PiggyVest app, all you need to do is head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and type PiggyVest. Now, not to worry, I will leave links to both the App Store and the Google Play Store so you can actually download the app. So I've already downloaded the PiggyVest app. All I have to do is just click on open and we're in. Now, PiggyVest is not just an app where you save money, but it's an app that helps you hit and gain some interest from your financial goals. That is basically the concept behind PiggyVest. Now, PiggyVest generates this interest by investing in low risk assets like treasury bills, government bonds, and a whole lot of others. So if you should be on the homepage of PiggyVest, you can see some headings here. So you can see my to-dos, you can see suggestions for you, you can see my saving plans, you can see vetted opportunities, you can see media content, and you can see recent activities. Now, let's start with my to-dos. What exactly does it mean? Now, if you look at or you scroll through, you can see some things you are expected to do. Now, the first thing you are expected to do here is link your bank or your ATM card. Now, this means that this is the bank or the account that you will be using to make payment or to make deposits on the PiggyVest app. So either the bank or debit card, okay? So of a particular bank. So if you're linking your bank, it means that you're giving PiggyVest access to be able to, deposit money from that particular account or that particular debit card, okay? So that's basically what linking your bank or linking your debit card means. If you head over to where it says enable autosave. Now, autosave is a feature on the PiggyVest app that helps you to be able to make a certain commitment to your PiggyVest, okay? So if you want to save 100 naira, 500 naira on a monthly basis or daily basis, you're giving PiggyVest the opportunity or the access to be able to withdraw that money from your particular bank account, okay? So if you click on, let's say, 5,000 naira, it means that you can add your bank or add a card that PiggyVest will, on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, depending on you, take that 5,000 naira from that particular account or that particular debit card, okay? So you can also use your flex savings or your flex naira, okay? So but the money has to be removed from your bank account first before it can be put into your flex naira. We'll get to that in a bit. So that is basically the auto save. So if you should go back to verify your identity, just like the name implies, it just ensures that you actually verify your identity. So it's very, very straightforward. So go back to the home page and you can see set up house money. Set up house money is basically a saving feature on the PiggyVest app that helps you save for particular goals like your house rent or whatever you really want to achieve. So it's asking you a question: what is your house rent? So that's it for my to-dos. So if you look at suggestions for you, they are basically telling you some ways you can actually use your money on PiggyVest. Okay, so if you can see happy holidays from Piggy Santa, You can see how inflation changes Nigeria. You can see some various articles and other suggestions you can actually use on PiggyVest. Okay, so that is basically suggestions for you. Now, if you scroll down, you can see my saving plans, and you can see Flex Naira, you can see Flex Dollar, you see Piggy Bank, you can see Safe Lock, you can see Target Savings, you can see House Money. Now, Flex Naira is basically the default wallet for your PiggyVest app. Flex Dollar is a feature on PiggyVest that helps you to save money in dollars and also earn interest on those savings or that money. Now you can see the Piggy Bank. Now this particular feature helps you collect money from your PiggyVest linked account or your PiggyVest debit card. So if you should activate this, it basically gives you the ability to be able to take money from your bank account on a set interval. Okay, so you can see lock money. Safe lock is a feature that helps you to lock up your money. Okay, it helps you lock up your money for a particular period of time. Just like we talked about the house rent, this actually helps you lock up any kind of money or any kind of goal or financial goal for a particular period of time. So it can be 6 months and 1 month, 3 months, whatever, and earn interest on that particular money that you actually are saving. So you can see target savings is basically like the house rent, but it allows you to save money for particular things. So the safe lock, you can't take the money until that particular period of time expires. Okay, let's say 6 months, you can take that money until 6 months expires. Don't worry, I'll actually go into details after this. So house money, we actually looked at it before, and it just basically helps you save for your house rent and all that. So you can see, if you scroll down, you can see vetted opportunities. Okay, vetted opportunities are basically investment opportunities that help you to gain the best returns on the PiggyVest app. So if you further scroll down, you can see media and content, um, basic news and updates of the PiggyVest team and the PiggyVest app. So if you scroll down further, you can see recent activities. Recent activities is basically all the activities you perform on the PiggyVest app. It shows you when money enters and it shows you when money leaves. So your interest and every other thing that happens on your PiggyVest app is recorded under your recent activities. So that is basically the first things you see on the PiggyVest app. Now, I told you I was going to show you the exact features I used on PiggyVest to arrive at my difference of 12,000 Naira in interest. Now, if you should go down, you can see my savings. We just covered that a while ago. So these are various features on PiggyVest that actually help you gain interest with your money. Now, there's another way for you to actually access this. You can either click on view all, and then you see everything that PiggyVest has to offer, or you just click on savings at the bottom here and it takes you to basically the same page. The two features I used on PiggyVest to arrive at that interest are the Flex Dollar and the Safe Lock. Now, why did I use these two features? We all know that the Naira is taking a nosedive, and saving in dollars actually helps you hedge against inflation. Now, I use the Flex Dollar to actually preserve my money and also earn interest while preserving my money. Now, if I should click on Flex Dollar, you can see the number of interests that I have earned. Now, as at the time I put in the money, you can see that it was $27, but right now it is $28.57, which shows you that the money is actually increasing based off of how long I actually leave it on the Flex Dollar feature. So the Flex Dollar is a good feature to help you earn passive yield and also preserve the value of your money. So you can see the rates keep increasing over the months as the dollar to naira fluctuations keep occurring. Okay, that is basically what happens. So the higher the dollar rate, the higher the interest that you gain, as you can see from the interest that I've actually gained. Now, the other feature I used was the safe lock. So if you click on safe lock, you can see all this. Now, the safe lock is a feature that allows you to lock up money for a specific period of time. It means that whatever money you put under the safe lock cannot be accessible to you until the expiration of that period. So you can see some recommendations. You can see lock 15,000 for 365 days. You can see lock 50,000 for 120 days, and so on and so forth. And under this, you get to earn 14% to 20% per annum. Now you can see ongoing. Ongoing is basically where your lockup or your current lockup will be displayed. And payback will be where your previous lockup will be. Okay, so the history for your previous lockup will be under your payback. Now, you can see that the demo I did is under paid back because this has actually expired, or the lockup period has actually expired. Okay, so now I'll be going back and showing you exactly how to get money into your PiggyVest and how to actually use these specific features I have mentioned. Now, here's how you get started with earning your interest on PiggyVest. Firstly, you would need to deposit money from your bank account into your PiggyVest account. How exactly do you do this? You click on account and you see where it says create account. Click on it, and what you'll be doing is to choose a bank that you would like to deposit into, and that will basically reflect the funds to your PiggyVest account. Okay, so click choose bank. For the purpose of this, I'll be using the Wema Bank. Select Wema Bank and create new bank. Enter your code and just wait for it to load up. It will provide you with an account number that you can actually deposit into. So you can see at the top it has provided me with the account number. All I have to do is restart the app and I should be able to copy that number. Now click on savings, click on Flex Naira, and you can see the account number at the top. Now click on the account number to copy it and head over to your bank app and paste that account number so that you can actually credit it with the amount of money you want to put into your PiggyVest app. Let me do that quickly and head right back. So I have successfully credited my PiggyVest account with 100,000 naira. And if I should scroll down, you can see that it has actually taken note of that in my transaction history. Now all I have to do is go back and click on safe lock, which is the first feature I'll be showing you how to use. So getting started with the safe lock feature is quite simple. All you need to do is click on the plus sign and you'll be given a range of dates for you to choose from. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using 271 to 365 days. That is basically a year. All you need to do is click on it. Now enter the amount you wish to lock. I'll be using 100,000 naira and just type what you need to use it for. Now let's say house rent and select the specific date you want to get paid back and just scroll to select the date. So I'll just say 294, that's approximately 1 year. So after that you just need to choose the particular wallet you want to pay from. So I'll just click on the Flex Naira because that's where the money already is. Now click on preview safe lock, wait for it to finish loading. So click on I authorize and click on I hereby acknowledge. Click on create safe lock, enter your password, and you can see that 100,000 naira has now been deposited under the safe lock feature. Now the next feature I use is the flex dollar. So click on flex dollar. To create a plan, click on the plus icon and enter the amount you wish to save in dollars. It will give you the equivalent in naira underneath. So click on use flex naira because that's where the money is. Now click on I hereby confirm. I'll click on credit flex dollar, enter your password, and you can see $30 has been credited to my dollar account. If this video was helpful to you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.